In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for using the Copart website. The first tip is to make sure your account information is current. Log into your Copart account and then go to My Account and update your email address, phone number, or other information. Please note that if you would like to update your cardholders for your account or account ownership, you'll need to contact us for more information. Tip number 2 is to customize columns for easy searching. Go to a sale list or search results page. You'll notice a button that says Customize View at the top of the page. This will allow you to select different values for the columns in your search results. You can add and remove values as you wish, and you can also reset from this view. Also note at the top of the page, you can change the text size for the search results. Tip number 3 is to customize the Copart member dashboard to see the most important information at the top of the page. You can drag and drop widgets around on this page and customize it as you want. Tip number 4 is to enable multi-lot bidding to save time. Multi-lot bidding allows Premier members to submit multiple bids at once. Navigate to a sale list page and make sure that the Enable Multi-Lot Bidding checkbox is checked. You can enter multiple bids on this page, and when you're done, simply click the Place Bids button. If there are any issues with any of the bids you submitted, you will receive a notification for each lot. Tip number 5 is to sort multiple columns on a sale list or search results page. You can click each column header in order to sort the search results by the column you'd like to use. You can also sort on multiple criteria. Simply click the first column, such as Make, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click the next column, such as Year. This will allow you to sort on multiple dimensions on the same page. If you need to, simply click Refresh in your browser to start over.